our for today the third lecture, cloud service model. Cloud service model. There are three main cloud service models. Cloud computing is divided into three service models. First is the software as a service, SaaS, the communication, CRM, ERP, email, and games are used to software as a service. And second is the platform as a service. Platform as a service is the future is used pay, application, development, and database. Third is the infrastructure as a service, IaaS. It is used to server, storage, network, security, and system management. SaaS, software as a service is a use, and platform as a service is build, and infrastructure as a service is a migrate. Use, build, and migrate. First, first cloud service model, infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Infrastructure as a service provide you with access to on-demand computing resources like virtual server, storage, networking, firewall to build your own cloud node. With infrastructure as a service, you do not need to purchase or manage physical hardware. Do not any purchase and manage physical hardware. Instead, you get virtual machine. This is a virtual machine is storage and networking resources on demand as needed. Infrastructure as a service are like uses Windows Server, virtual desktop, server, shared resources, data center, and storage are each. IS model benefits easy to scale up or down. Rented, license, pay as you go. Third, GIS model benefits is a GUI, graphic user interface, and CLI, command line interface. Based easy access and protection. Both is a cost-effective solution to build and manage application. Example, जैसे Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM is a service provider. What provider manages? Physical servers, networking, storage, and virtualization. Example, example is a infrastructure as a service, is a rented a virtual server to host a website. Advantage and disadvantage of infrastructure as a service. Advantages is a reduced infrastructure cost, easier, easy and more cost-effective scaling. Flexibility to work wherever, increased security, quickly commence new project, simplified integration. Disadvantage, security not your control. Dependency on a third-party provider, dependent upon your broadband connection. Not all providers are created equal. Difficulties securing legacy application on cloud-based infrastructure. This is an infrastructure as a service. And second is a platform as a service. PaaS is a platform as a service. Platform as a service provides a platform that environment to develop, run, and manage application without handling hardware or system software. Platform as a service offers a development and deployment. Platform as a service development and deployment platform which built in infrastructure service. Platform as a service This is a platform as a service or it is a operating system.